Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D sketch in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, draw the circle. Two circle draw from origin. Now again draw the two circle. Okay, select. Now go to smart dimension. This circle dimension 136 and this circle dimension 76. Okay, now go to again this circle dimension 72 and this circle dimension 32. Okay, now go to this point and this point distance 224. Okay, select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Now go to line. This point select. Now connect this line, this circle. Now go to construction line. This point and this point draw. Select. Okay. Now go to mirror. This line control about this line mirror about this center line. Okay. Now draw the center line for construction line here. Select. Now again draw the center line. Construction line means and center line means same meaning. Construction. Okay, select. Now go to smart dimension. This center line and this center line between 30 degree. And this center line and this center line between 30 degree. Okay, select. Now go to draw the slot. 3-point arc slot draw. Select here and here. Okay. Now again draw the another slot here. This point, and this point. Select. Now slot point, this point control this point. Coincident. Okay. Now just move here. Now these are below 16. 16 and these are below 40. Okay. These are below 132. Okay, select. Now go to 3-point arc. This line and this arc select. Okay. Now this arc control this line tangent. This arc control this arc tangent. Now give the value 24. Okay. Now go to again this circle select and this arc. This arc control this circle tangent. And this arc control this arc tangent. Now give the value 24. Okay, select. Now go to trim, cut this. Okay, select. Now, what is problem? Just check. This arc control this arc tangent. Okay, just this point move here. Now go to draw circle here. This circle control this circle equal. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Everything is okay. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class 1-to-1, you can join anywhere in the world. You can join our practical class. Our office address Damra, Dhaka. Our cell number 01916 553827. If you want to call from abroad, +88 01916 553827. Thank you all.